Alright, let's talk about something everyone is asking me about. Every single day my comments are flooded with questions about the next big cryptocurrency. People see the stories of Bitcoin millionaires, they hear about someone who bought a Shiba Inu coin as a joke and ended up paying off their house. It's the modern-day gold rush. Everyone is looking for that one hidden gem, that one opportunity to get in on the ground floor before it explodes in value. So, let's start with the basics. What is Picoin? With Bitcoin, you need incredibly powerful and expensive computers that solve complex mathematical problems. This process consumes a massive amount of electricity. Pi Network flips that entire model on its head. It was created by a team of Stanford graduates who wanted to build a cryptocurrency that anyone could access. Their solution was to create a new way of securing the network that doesn't rely on burning energy. In very simple terms, this system relies on a network of trusted users to verify transactions. It's a social network of trust. When you open the Pi app and press the button once a day, you are simply proving that you are a real, engaged human being. The most undeniable aspect of Pi Network is its incredible growth. As of today, the network boasts over 55 million engaged members. That's a user base larger than the population of many countries. This massive user base is Pi's single greatest asset. In the world of networks, value comes from users. A phone is useless without a network to connect to, and a social media platform is worthless without people to interact with. They launched a testnet where transactions could be simulated. They introduced a Pi browser and a wallet. The most significant step has been the enclosed mainnet phase. Back in 2010, you could actually mine Bitcoin on a regular laptop. It was just this niche hobby for tech nerds. Early adopters found themselves sitting on a fortune a decade later. Bitcoin had something Pi does not yet have: a functioning, open, and decentralized network right from its early days. The fact is, Picoin currently has a value of 0. It cannot be officially traded. You see wild predictions online with people hoping for $1, $10, or even hundreds of dollars per Pi. The final value of Pi will depend entirely on supply and demand once the open mainnet launches. Picoin is one of the most fascinating experiments in the cryptocurrency space today. Its approach to mobile mining is innovative and has made crypto accessible to a whole new audience. The two key things to watch for are mass KYC and ecosystem development. Keep an eye on the growth of apps and utilities in the Pi browser. For Pi to have lasting value, you need to actually be able to do things with it. Ultimately, Picoin remains a speculative bet with a unique and compelling story. It costs nothing but a few seconds of your time each day to participate. The launch of Pi's open mainnet will be one of the most anticipated events in crypto history.